It's almost Memorial Day, and honestly, we put a bunch of paved stones. This is our shop truck right here. We put a bunch of paved stones in it. I mean, it's all rusted. It was an old Culligan water truck. Don got it for us. Don, he's the man. McCowan Farms. Yep, he's cool. But I think I put a bunch of paved stones in it, and I think we did a little last number on the old brakes. This old girl's got like 300,000 miles on it. I stole the elbow too. Look at that. This is the shop truck, boy. It's already got everything kind of done. We did not go down because we haven't done the engine yet. I just want to see how far it'll go. And honestly, this truck has been on a lean, fat-free diet of 5,000 mile break-in with lubriplate oil diet. You follow me there? Since we bought this truck, or bought it, I mean, we kind of bought it. I guess we kind of bought it. But since we got this truck, it had 300,000 miles on it when we got it. 6'4", 300,000 miles, totally stock. Don had to cut the exhaust off of it because it was so plugged up it wouldn't run to get it from where he bought it at. So he took a Sawzall on the side of the road and cut the DPF off and threw it in the bed of the truck and didn't do anything else. and I don't know if he remote start wired it, or I'm not sure exactly how but he rolled on all the way home. That's freaking hilarious. But since then, okay, so the engine's had 300,000 miles with emissions on it. So holy crap. But since then, every time we've been finishing an engine, and I'll be honest, she hasn't gotten 5,000 mile break-in oil in a long time because the trucks have been leaving and going not local. So she hasn't had an oil change in a long time, and she's burning oil, and she's low on oil. I just ran it. What's funny though, it does have coolant in it, which it doesn't always look like that. I think the head gaskets are good on it, but she's tired. I keep thinking we're going to throw a push rod through the valve cover and through the little hood here. That would suck. But we bought this is the hood off of the coin flip truck, the hood and the front bumper. You remember that, Tanner, don't you? Yeah, we flipped a coin and lost the coin. Lost the coin flip, did not get the truck, and we wound up getting the truck anyways because it went to repo. So whatever. Because our bank is the bank that held the note on it, and they have a repo. That's a 6.4 or Power Stroke. They're like, hey, send it there. He'll take it. So right now the brakes are shot. Darren's going to do some brakes on it. Honestly, this is kind of a project truck. This is the one. This is just like Meadows. I need to make a 4-scan video on this one because this one is ready, but something happened. I don't know if the computer's messed up. I'm going to make a 4-scan video because sometimes when that thing is messed up, it's a pain in the butt to get it figured out. So I ought to just walk through that in a video. You guys might like seeing that, how to fix a messed up 4-scan and make it connect. Because sometimes, you can spend half hour, 45 minutes on that son of a gun to get everything situated around right so it'll connect to the ELM and find the truck. And thought I'd make a little video of our little shop truck. This is the shop truck. We actually use this truck to push the other trucks around. We used to use the 4-wheeler, but the 4-wheeler died a multiple cardiac arrest death. It went to the hospital 3 freaking times and finally came back, and I don't believe what happened with it. It'll be fine. We can run it, but we've been pushing with this one now. Let me throw a little off the wall thing right here. See these guys? I mean, there's a chance. I don't know. I mean, why would I not do it? Okay, why would I not? These might be on Amazon. Maybe. I don't know. Wouldn't that be cool? They might be. I don't know. I'm not going to push it too hard, but if it happens, it happens. That'll be pretty cool. I think it will be. I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to even keep up. I mean, we can't keep up now. I got one. No, we got more than that, don't we? Yeah, we got more than that. I'm just kidding. But there's one. We do Y pipes too. Don't forget. So I don't push no other brands. When people ask that, I mean, we do these. These are ours. They're Vibrant flex joints out of the stock hardware, basic or whatever you want us to call it, connections. Oh yeah, I got another one over there. So. I don't know, yeah, call it a shameless plug on our own YouTube channel that is about our shop, about parts that we make. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Take that, guys. That's funny. All right, moral of the story is, hey, let's work on a shop truck. Can't have anything nice. Nice. We got nice stuff right here. I actually use Flex Seal on that. That's the paint that covered that. It looked like crap. And I'll tell you what, that's what do you want to call that? That's a 120-foot truck, maybe? Maybe a 250-foot truck. Get 250 feet away from it, it looks freaking awesome. Yeah, so, yeah, that's what that is. All right, guys, that's it. Let's get some brakes on it. I just thought I would, leading up to Memorial Day, it's a lot of that stuff are bigger jobs that we can't start right now. It'd be stupid to start a job right now that takes 4 days when you're right in Memorial Weekend. Darian's taking off, and today? Tomorrow? Huh? Why don't you explain to the camera here how come you get to take 4 days off? Huh? What do you think? You think just because you suit up, show up every day and reliable? He thinks just because he suits up, shows up, does his job, and does a good job at it, he thinks he deserves to be rewarded for it, doesn't he? That freaking guy. Have a good day, guys.